Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Print Spooler service is not running on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the magnifying glass on your system taskbar and type in Services. Best result should come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to go ahead and locate the Print Spooler Service. So scroll down to Print Spooler Service here and double click on it. You want to set startup type to running, so if it's stopped, you want to select the start option. And then you also want to make sure startup type is set to automatic and then select apply and OK. Once you've done that, restart your computer and that should be about it. One further thing you can try if you're still having an issue, which hopefully that would have been able to fix it, would be to right click on the start button and select settings. So go ahead and select system and then on the right side scroll down to underneath troubleshoot. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down and select other troubleshooters. Underneath most frequent, select printer and then select the run button. And if it does offer any suggestions, I'd recommend following along with them. But in our case, our issue should have been resolved at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.